slime challenge. I want the slime. You know the drill, don't ya? Also, if you're new to this channel, make sure to go check out our other videos. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos, and hit the big thumbs up button. And today we are doing a pina colada slime. So what you'll need for this is a bowl, a spoon, diluted borax as our activator, or any activator, shaving foam, coconut scent. I'm not that keen on coconut, but we'll see how it is. Like orangey beige paint, fruit slices. I'm just doing that because that's what I think I should do. And white glue. So let's start with the white glue. This is heavy. That's enough. So that's that out of the way. Now we need shaving cream. That looks like enough. Now we need to mix it. Whoa, why does it always look so cool to me when you add shaving cream?
It always reminds me of a meringue.
I know. Yes. Imagine if we could make a meringue edible slime. Now I'm going to add this slowly. Okay, now we need to mix it up. I'm so excited, guys. Woohoo! It seems to just be like flop at the moment. But all you need to do is keep on mixing and keep on kneading or something. Okay. Whoa, this looks awesome. Whoa, look at this.
Cool.
Now you just need to keep on mixing, guys. Guys, we'll see you when this is activated in 3, 2, 1. And we're back. So the slime is fully activated. It's a little bit stringy, but I can't really be bothered to knead it anymore. So now we're going to add the other stuff. So guys, I put it in a swirl and now we're going to add some stuff. So let's add the orange paint. If it's too orange, then I might add a bit of yellow. There's green glitter in it, but it doesn't really matter that much.
Pina colada.
Caught in the rain. Now let's add coconut scent. I don't know if I'm going to like the scent of this. Does it have to be coconut scent?
Well, that's what pina colada is.
Oh, okay. Is it just blended coconut or something?
Yes.
I thought it was like blended fruits.
No, I don't
Can
think
you open that for me, please, Mum? Careful not to get it on you, though, because it's coconut flavouring. And Mum is allergic to coconut, aren't you?
Mm-hmm. Just let it go over there, Charlie.
Oh, okay. I'll collect that. Is it nice?
Oh, it's coconut.
I don't know what the coconut smells like. It's okay. It's just I'm not a fan.
Whoa, that was a lot of coconut.
I can't smell it that much. But I think
Can you put the lid on it in case you have an accident?
Again.
I don't want coconut essence mixed with my borax activator on the floor. Well, Alma's activator.
That's from yesterday, that is.
I know, but that's what I'm saying.
Well, it's really greasy, like if you touch it. But once you mix it in, it's not. Whoa. I just thought of the song and I had an idea to like make pina colada. Right, now let's put it into the slime as well. And I am going to add these little fruit slices. This looks a bit like our marshmallow slime. Come out. Okay, I'll just deal with that and now I'm mixing it in. I might add a few more, but only a few. Guys, I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Guys, shut your eyes. Alright, Mum's going to take her hand off the front, if you are seeing. Alright, shut your eyes, I've got a surprise for you. Right, Mum, you can take your hand off.
After.
Keep them shut.
3,
2, 1. Right, keep your eyes closed. If you've already said it, then okay. Right, 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes. So, as you can see, we've put a few little charms. We've put a cherry charm in, a strawberry charm in, ooh, a watermelon charm in, another strawberry charm in, and a butterfly charm in. But we was going to add a pineapple charm, but we don't have any, sadly. So we just decided to go for a fruit theme. So we've put it in a wine glass. And yeah, so
there we have our fruit cocktail.
Pina colada.
Coconut flavoured slime.
I'm just...
Pina colada. I think that looks... Can you turn the glass around while it's there, Tali, so you can see? With fruit slices in it as well. I think that looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
Whoa, I like that slime.
Me too. Let's have a little sip of it now. No, shouldn't do that. Bye, toysfunfam squad. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share for more fun videos. Also, if you don't want to miss any more fun videos, hit the notification bell down below and join the toysfunfam squad. Bye. See you tomorrow.